Green slime guy. Please, this is my last pack. Green slime guy, everybody type it! Come on! Eyes closed. I'm doing eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. I got scam. I got scam. No green slime guy. Chat, what is the best pull? Is this my best pull? Wait, that's rare? This one's rare? Yo, you know what, bro? Let me say this, bro. This is this is actually a good product. I'm proud of Clix and Lacey, bro. Like I said, bro, most of the time when influencers come out with something, it's just a crypto scam. So this is, I'm actually like, this is fucking cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is a really sick product.